Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and yes, we're here back again with some UAG love, and this is what I generally think of as the world's best case, or the world's most protective case, I think you might call the title, we'll soon see, and it is the Monarch from Under Armour gear. So I want to say thank you to them for sending this out to me for the actual video today. I've gone for the red one. They do a silver and a black one, and I think they might have a camo one, but they do different variations for different phones. So if you want to go check it out, there are links down below and you can go check out all the different colours. It does have real leather, these little inlets here. And anyway, this is probably my favourite case, or one of my favourite cases. It's definitely my favourite rugged case. No doubt about that at all. So we'll have a quick look around the box first of all. Designed for Samsung. Premium protection for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Just some legal mumfo on there. On the side it says here, UAG rugged, lightweight, drop tested protection. Nothing at the top apart from the actual what it's for. And it's built to go further. Ah, cool. On the back of it, just kind of tells you what it is in regards to the drop test. So it is drop tested 2 times. Now I think what that means, actually, it can withstand twice the normal height. And this is the cool thing, you actually get a 10-year limited warranty, which I thought was pretty damn cool. So the premium materials, 5-layer protection, and the armour frame. Yeah, anyway, you want to say, Sam, shut up? No, show me the bloody case. Now I've actually had this on my phone for a couple of weeks now. So I've had to put it back in the box today, just to show you what you get when you first get it. And that's it, that's going to be everything you do get. I'll pop that off to the side, and here is the actual case. I went for the red one just because the red's one of my favourite colours, as you can probably tell with the watch as well. Doesn't really go with my phone that much, but yeah, I can cope with it. And again, as I said, this here is actually leather, so it's real leather in there. And you can see this like frame. This, so you get into a shot, Sam. This frame itself here is super rugged, and you get like these little fake kind of screws. Might be metal, but they're fake kind of screws. And it goes through to there. So the UAG. So I'll take you around the actual case itself. So it's got really nice big size cutouts, as you can probably tell there. Pretty damn cool. All the way down the left hand side of it, it's got the Bixby button, blah, and then the volume up and down. As you can see, they're chunky monkeys. I don't know if you can see that, but you can probably see. There you go. You can see through it. You can see my skin. That makes it a lot easier for them to press in. So they actually, when you press them in, they're super easy. On the top of it, it's just got the cutout for the, what's that one? Microphone, I think it is. Is it a microphone? Yeah, microphone. I really checked then. And then down this side is for the power. As you can see, it's got like this honeycomb kind of construction down there. In terms of when you are holding it, it feels really nice. It's got a little bit of a squeeze to it as well. Anyway, let's put the phone inside there so you kind of get a good look. Easiest way to put it in is to stick it in at the top. Pop it in and then just push one corner, push second corner, boom, Bob's your uncle. Let's use your cousin. And when it's in there, I'm going to show you now, I'll show you those cutouts. Nice, very nice large cutouts. Should have no problems whatsoever, as you probably tell there. And again, with regards to the buttons, as I was saying, because it's got like this little air gap, when you press it, it just goes straight in. You can just feel it straight away. They're probably the best buttons on any case I've actually ever had. See there, it's a very nice large cutout for that microphone. Don't probably need it to be that large, but hey ho, bigger the better, as they say. And then obviously buttons there as well. Now you can probably see here, these corners is where it's getting all this drop protection. So if you do kind of drop on its side, etc., it should hopefully fall on one of the corners. As you can see, they do stick out a little bit at the top and the bottom. So we're hoping, obviously it's there as well, when it falls, it's either going to drop like that, like that, like that. I don't know. The only real way that you're going to kind of wreck your screen or something on this one is if it fell completely flat and there was like a stone like there, anyway, because it's even got a little bit of resivity on the front of it as well there, you can kind of see. So it just raises up to the time. Actually, it's fairly decent bit. If you have a screen protector, it's probably going to negate that, and there as well. But at the same time, they do cut out for the screen. So in terms of your screen, you can feel it coming in. It feels really nice actually. Really nice. And obviously for the camera cutouts, let's not forget those camera cutouts. It's a very, very large one. I have found that a bit of dust does get in there and get a little bit dirty down the back. So I would have probably preferred like maybe a bit of a snugger fit, or maybe making this a tiny bit smaller all the way around it. Again, that's just my personal preference, is that a little bit of dust seems to be getting in there a little bit, and I don't want to be cleaning it all the time. I want to slap the case on, leave it on there, and walk away. But yeah, this is probably, I guarantee this is my favourite rugged case for any phone, be it the Samsung, the iPhone, Huawei, whoever it might be. The UAG, the Monarch, is definitely the best you can buy. Bit pricey, but I believe it's worth it. Yeah. Anyway, people, that's it. That's my take on the UAG Monarch from the lovely people, again, over at Urban Armour Gear. If you want to pick one up or you want to check it out, there is a link down below. You can go check that one out. If you are new to the channel, then you can hit that subscribe button. Go on, it's completely free. It doesn't cost you a nickel, a penny, or a dime. I think one of those might be the same. And go on, smash the like button. You know you want to. Anyway, people, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll see these paws in my next video. Cheers, everyone.